Nick Vujicic is a motivational speaker, evangelist, and author who was born on 4th December 1982 in Melbourne, Australia. He was born without arms and legs, a rare condition known as tetraamelia syndrome. We will see Nick Vujicic's life journey, but before we begin, I suggest you to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on notification. Despite his physical challenges, Nick grew up to be a confident and independent person. He learned to do everything with his feet, from eating and brushing his teeth to typing on a computer and even swimming. In his teenage years, Nick struggled with depression and felt like he had no purpose in life. But he eventually found hope and meaning through his Christian faith. He began sharing his story and his faith with others, and soon became a sought-after speaker. Nick's message of hope and resilience has inspired millions of people around the world. He has spoken in over 60 countries and has addressed audiences ranging from schools and universities to corporate events and churches. Nick is also the author of several best-selling books, including Life Without Limits, Unstoppable, and Love Without Limits. In addition to his speaking and writing, he is the founder and CEO of Life Without Limbs, a non-profit organization that provides support and resources to people with disabilities. Despite facing many challenges in his life, Nick remains positive and grateful. He is married to his wife Kanai, and they have 4 children together. Nick Vujicic was born to Dushka and Boris Vujicic, who were immigrants from Serbia. He was the first child in his family, and his condition of tetraamelia syndrome was not detected during his mother's pregnancy. Growing up, Nick faced many challenges and had to learn to adapt to a world that was not designed for someone without limbs. He was often bullied and felt like an outcast, but he eventually found a way to embrace his uniqueness and use it to inspire others. In addition to his work as a motivational speaker, Nick has also been involved in various charitable causes. He has worked with organizations like the Make-A-Wish Foundation and the Starlight Children's Foundation to help children with disabilities and serious illnesses. Nick has been recognized for his contributions to society with numerous awards and honors. In 2015, he was awarded the Pride of Australia Medal, and in 2016, he received the Mother Teresa Memorial International Award for Social Justice. Nick's story has been the subject of several documentaries, including The Butterfly Circus and Born Without Limbs. He has also been featured on many TV shows and news programs, including 60 Minutes, The Oprah Winfrey Show, and Good Morning America. Despite his success, Nick remains humble and focused on his mission to inspire and encourage others. He continues to travel the world, speaking to audiences of all ages and backgrounds, and sharing his message of hope and resilience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.